As we move on, you may notice some humans on your left or right. Everybody wave to the humans. They may be moving a little slowly right now, but they do get more active around feeding times. Next on our journey is the apiary on your left, which houses some of our more beautiful birds, including scarlet ibis and flamingo. Both get their bright colors from pigments in the food they eat. The bright blue birds are Victoria crown pigeons. They have unique crests, bright red eyes, and are native to New Guinea. You may also see our Canada goose that has taken such a liking to the flamingo that he often stands on just one leg. As we round this corner, you'll notice some prehistoric creatures from our newest attraction, Dinosaur Explorer, where you can dig for fossils, meet a baby dino, and come face to face with Jurassic giants. To your left is the Wanyama Observation Deck and Botanical Garden. Wanyama is Swahili for beautiful animal, and that's just what you'll find in Wanyama, including zebras, scimitar-horned oryx, ostriches, and wildebeest. Wildebeest migrate up to 1,000 miles in herds that sometimes reach 1.5 million. The migrations are so large they can often be seen from outer space. You'll see our male and female ostriches in Wanyama as well. Ostriches have very small brains. In fact, their eyeballs are bigger than their brains. And contrary to popular belief, ostriches do not bury their heads in the sand. They simply lay low to the ground when they feel threatened. Look to your right and you'll meet Bariki and Bakari, our male giraffes. Bariki was born here at Wild Adventures in 2002. He's 16 and a half feet tall, and even though his neck is so long, he has the same number of bones in his neck as you do, 7. Bakari was born in 2018 and joined the Wild Adventures family in May of 2020. Bakari and Bariki have become best friends and are inseparable throughout most of the day. On your right, you'll see a herd of Grant's zebra. No two zebras have the same pattern of stripes, and they are more closely related to donkeys than they are to horses. On the left, construction is underway for the new Wild Adventures Safari Campground that will allow you to sleep under the stars and next to these amazing animals from around the world. The Wild Adventures Safari Campground is scheduled to open later this year. Back on your right, the white and brown antelope with long horns are called scimitar-horned oryx. Sadly, this species is completely extinct in the wild due to changes in their environments in North Africa. Oryx may be the inspiration for the myth of the unicorn. When you look at an oryx from the side, they appear to have a single long horn. The small gazelle on the right is a Thompson's gazelle, or Tommy for short. Tommies are the smallest of all gazelle species found in Africa and can run up to 50 miles per hour. On your right are hen spot. They are easily recognized thanks to their unique face markings and long horns. They are one of the largest species of antelope found in Africa and are native to arid southern regions of the continent, including the Kalahari Desert. You'll see our Wild Adventures Zoological Department. Our zookeepers work 365 days a year, with weekends and holidays, to make sure all of our animals are well cared for. It's hard work, so if you see one of our zookeepers today, give them a wave and a big thank you. As we near the end of our journey, you'll see our greater one-horned rhino, Graham. He's also called an Indian rhinoceros, which can weigh between 4,000 and 6,000 pounds and run up to 30 miles per hour. Graham loves water and is an excellent swimmer. Rhinos like Graham are endangered in the wild and are threatened daily by poachers. As you go about the rest of your day, be sure to take part in the many different shows we have on that give you the chance to get up close and personal with even more amazing animals. View our show schedules at wildadventures.com. As we pull back into the station, please do not get up until the train comes to a complete stop. Remember to take all your personal belongings with you as you exit through customs. Thank you for riding the Safari Train and enjoy the rest of your journey at Wild Adventures, where adventure is within reach.